So today we are going to be figuring out how to find the center point of a circle on a coordinate grid and to find the equation of the circle. So the circle has radiuses or radii here and pretty much everywhere around it. So let's just say the radii are 3 inches. So if you want to find a point, let's say this point, you can connect that point and make a triangle with the center. So you go down. So let's say this is a 0, 0 on the x, and 0 on the y. So you can go like this and create a triangle to the center. So you know the radius is 3 inches, so this is 3 inches, and this is the x and the y. So x is horizontal and y is vertical. So we know that the Pythagorean theorem, which says a squared plus b squared equals c squared, or in this case, a squared plus b squared equals 3 squared. And as in quadratic functions and most functions, when a equation is graphed on a coordinate grid, for example, quadratic, you can go x minus h squared. The minus h will move the equation to the right, and plus h will move it to the left. This is the same for the circles. So if it's x minus h squared, it'll move the circle to the right. X plus h squared, it'll move the circle to the left. This is the same with the y. If it's y minus k squared, it'll move the circle up, and if it's y plus k squared, it'll move the circle down. So given that, we can figure out that a circle is just x minus h squared plus y minus k squared, and that's equal to the radius squared. So now let's say, so that is showing you how to find a circle's equation, or just the basics of what a circle equation even is. So what form is it in? So now, if you want to find the center of a circle, or the equation from an unfactored form, you'd start at x squared plus 2x plus 1 plus y squared minus 6y plus 9 equals 25. So that's the unfactored form of a circle's equation. So to factor it, which I hope you've done factoring before, you just factor the trinomials. Factor trinomials. So this factors to x plus 1 squared plus y minus 3 squared, and the square root of 25 is 5. So given that, you can try to find the zeros of the equations inside the two parentheses. So x plus 1, so 0 of that would be x is negative 1, so that'd be negative 1, and the 0 of the y part would be y is 3, so 3 minus 3 is 0, squared is 0, then that's 3. So that's the center of your circle in this example. And that's pretty much it. So that's how you find the center of your circle, and the equation of the circle is this. So I'll see you guys next time with something, with a different topic.